Hey everyone! Welcome back to Body Making Health Management channel. Listen, we all get busy, right? Who's got time to trek to the gym every single day? Not me. That's why we're staying home today, but don't think for a second that means we're taking it easy. We're cranking up the heat and torching those calories right here in our living rooms. If you're looking to burn fat, get in shape, and do it all from the comfort of your own home, then this video is just for you. No excuses, no equipment needed, just pure fat-melting action. Today, I'm going to walk you through the best fat-burning workouts you can do at home step by step. We're talking HIIT, body weight circuits, core crushers, the lot. Get ready to sweat. Chapter 1. Warm up, get your body ready. Alright team, before we even think about diving into these killer workouts, we gotta get those engines warmed up. Think of it like this. You wouldn't jump in your car and slam it into gear without letting it warm up a bit, right? Same goes for your body. A proper warm-up gets that blood pumping, loosens up those muscles, and prevents any nasty injuries. Trust me, a few minutes now will make a world of difference later. So what are we waiting for? Let's get those feet moving with a minute of jumping jacks. Nice and light on your feet, remember, we're just getting started. Now let's give those arms some love with some arm circles. Big, wide circles, forwards and backwards, 30 seconds each way. Feel those shoulders loosen up? Good stuff. Next up, hip circles. Imagine you're hula hooping, nice and fluid. This gets those hips nice and mobile, ready for anything we throw at them. And last but not least, high knees. Bring those knees up high like you're trying to touch your chest. This gets that heart rate up and those legs ready to work. See? Just 3 to 5 minutes and you're feeling warm, loose, and ready to tackle anything. Remember, treat this like lighting a fire. You need that spark before the burn. Chapter 2. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. Now let's turn up the heat with some HIIT or high-intensity interval training. This, my friends, is the secret weapon for torching fat. Why? Because it keeps your body burning calories even after you're done. That's right, you'll be a calorie-burning machine long after your workout is finished. So what are we waiting for? Get ready for a 10-minute HIIT routine that'll leave you feeling like a champion. First up, 30 seconds of burpees. Remember, quality over quantity, so make each rep count. Now catch your breath for 30 seconds. You earned it. But don't get too comfy, because next up we're hitting those mountain climbers for 30 seconds. Feel that burn in your core. Another 30-second rest, you're doing great. Now let's fire up those legs with some jump squats. Explode upwards, land softly, and feel the power in those quads. Time for a well-deserved 30-second break. But guess what? We're not done yet. We're repeating that entire cycle 2 more times. That's right, 2 more rounds of burpees, mountain climbers, and jump squats. Remember, HIIT is all about pushing your limits and giving it your all. It's tough, but trust me, the results are worth it. And remember that afterburn effect, your body will be thanking you long after you're done. Chapter 3. Full body bodyweight circuit. Alright legends, who says you need a gym to get a full body workout? Not us! With this next circuit, we're ditching the equipment and using the best weight there is, your own body weight. Get ready to feel the burn with a circuit that targets every muscle group, gets that heart rate soaring, and sends those calories packing. First up, we're hitting the deck for some classic push-ups. Aim for 10 to 15 reps, but listen to your body and take breaks if you need to. Now let's work those legs with 20 bodyweight squats. Remember, chest up, core engaged, and squat deep. Feel that burn in those glutes and quads? That's the good stuff right there. Time to fire up that core with a 30-second plank hold. Keep your back straight, core tight, and imagine you're a plank of wood, no sagging. Now let's hit those legs from a different angle with reverse lunges. 10 reps on each leg, focusing on balance and control. Feel that stretch? That's what we like to see. And to finish off this circuit strong, we're going for 20 bicycle crunches. Engage those abs and imagine you're pedaling a bike. Feel the burn. But wait, there's more. We're repeating this entire circuit 3 times with 30-second breaks in between. That's right, 3 rounds of pure bodyweight awesomeness. Chapter 4. core and ab-focused burn. Alright, let's be honest, who doesn't want a strong, sculpted core? It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good, having better posture, and boosting your overall strength. And guess what? You don't need any fancy equipment to get those abs firing. This next routine is all about using your own body weight to target those core muscles and reveal that six-pack hiding underneath. First up, we're hitting the mat for 20 Russian twists. Sit tall, engage those obliques, and twist from side to side. Feel that burn? That's what we're after. Now let's take it up a notch with 15 leg raises. Lie flat on your back, engage your core, and slowly raise those legs towards the ceiling. Control is key here. Time to test that core strength with 30 seconds of plank shoulder taps. Get into that strong plank position and alternate tapping each shoulder. Keep your core tight and your body still. Now let's get those abs burning with 30 seconds of mountain climbers. Get into a high plank position and bring those knees towards your chest, one at a time. Fast and furious. Pro tip: do this core routine after your main workout. Your core is already warmed up and engaged, which means you'll feel the burn even more. Chapter 5. Cardio burn without equipment. Alright team, who says you need a treadmill or an elliptical to get your heart rate pumping? Not us! This next routine is all about getting that cardio burn using nothing but your own body weight and a whole lot of energy. Get ready for a 5-minute cardio blast that'll leave you feeling energized and ready to conquer the world. First up, let's kick it old school with 1 minute of jumping jacks. Remember, arms and legs working together, nice and light on your feet. Next up, we're channeling our inner Torville and Dean with 1 minute of skaters. Imagine you're gliding across the ice, moving side to side with grace and agility. Now let's bring those knees up high with 1 minute of high knees. Remember, the higher the knees, the more intense the workout. Time to kick it up a notch with 1 minute of butt kicks. Heels to glutes, let's get those legs moving. And to finish off this cardio blast, we're going for 1 minute of fast feet shuffle. Imagine you're dodging cones on a football pitch. Quick feet, stay light on your toes. This 5-minute routine is perfect for squeezing in between strength circuits or at the end of your workout as a finisher. It's a surefire way to torch those calories and leave you feeling on top of the world. Chapter 6. Cool down and stretch. Alright champions, we've pushed ourselves, we've sweated, we've burned some serious calories. Now it's time to show our bodies some love with a proper cool down. This is just as important as the workout itself, so don't even think about skipping it. Cooling down helps your body recover, prevents stiffness, and reduces the risk of injury. Plus, it gives you a chance to catch your breath and bask in the glory of a workout well done. Let's start with a nice, relaxing forward fold. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, slowly bend forward from your hips and let your head hang heavy. Feel that stretch in your hamstrings and lower back? Bliss. Now let's give those hamstrings some extra love with a seated hamstring stretch. Sit on the floor with your legs extended, reach for your toes and hold for 30 seconds on each leg. Time to find our inner peace with child's pose. Kneel on the floor, bring your big toes together, sit back on your heels and fold forward, resting your forehead on the ground. Breathe deeply and let your body melt into the mat. And to finish off our cool down, let's give our spines some love with a spinal twist. Sit tall, cross your legs, place one hand on the opposite knee, and gently twist your upper body. Hold for 30 seconds on each side and feel the tension melt away. Remember, take your time with these stretches, breathe deeply, and listen to your body. And there you have it, some of the best fat-burning workouts you can do at home. Remember, you don't need a fancy gym or expensive equipment to get in amazing shape. All you need is your own body weight, a bit of space, and a whole lot of determination. Whether you have 10 minutes or 30, consistency is key. Make these workouts a regular part of your routine, push yourself to your limits, and watch as you get stronger, fitter, and healthier than ever before. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, And don't forget to subscribe to Body Make and Health Management for more insights and tips to help you succeed. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next video.